Our customers is the government agencies and their operators, private companies, and suppliers. Now, our work, which we use the software for, is in the area of installation of IT and bus devices.
The difficulty that we had before ManWinWin was to get the right information when we needed it, in a reliable form. So an example of this challenge that has now been removed with the software are questions like, what are the assets that I need to consider for the next maintenance contract? During the time when we looked for the right software, ManWinWin actively engaged us in discussions and challenged us on our requirements to guide us to focus on our needs rather than only what we wanted. And ManWinWin helped us to identify or to condense our priorities and what we're actually looking for. One important aspect was not so much to find the software that does exactly what we wanted, but a software that helps us to accomplish what we needed.
Now we have created, since we're using ManWinWin, we have created a single repository of all this information, and we can tell in which device was installed, which bus, in which project, and when it went from a project into maintenance. And our customer can look at all this information, or most of this information, directly through the web interface. So this is something that becomes increasingly significant and an increasing advantage for what we're doing and what we deliver to our customers. In any case, this will accelerate our work, and it will also shorten the lead time, the waiting time for the customer. It also provides, and now this is a bit of a customer point of view. One goal is to provide access to all assets and their status, their conditions, and their whereabouts to internal and external stakeholders. That means to us and also to our customer, who we see recently have an increased interest to have this kind of information. To support the maintenance managers to receive information for their own maintenance reports that they have to prepare for the customer, including the KPIs, directly from a single point of information where the information is kept. Today, I'm within 1 minute, I can answer your question: how many devices are we maintaining for one of our users?
We're happy to give a very clear instruction to our technicians: no more Excel spreadsheets for maintenance and anything related to it. If the information is in the software, we take it from there. Our purpose was to improve our service to the customer, to be able to add more value to our customer and offer them better services, and to also make our own work better, faster, and eliminate confusion. We are in the position to offer and demonstrate to our customer that we can offer comprehensive asset management for all of their assets that we delivered and that we're maintaining for them, with very good transparency of what they have and where it is.